My name is Mohammad, and we use Uber Eats to continue growing our brand and reaching new customers. Captain J's was founded in the city of Detroit. We are You Buy, We Fry. Our concept is a little bit unique. You can take some fresh food home and you can grill it yourself, or we can actually cook it for you in our store. We try to make it like a one-stop shop. We want people to feel that Captain J's is embedded into their communities, kind of like a mini grocery store that we bring into your neighborhood. Uber Eats is allowing us to reach customers that normally would not even walk into our establishment or order from us. They're not only a third-party delivery system. You know, they do such a good job with marketing and coming up with great ideas that we kind of look to Uber as a strategic partner to grow our business. The BOGO was one idea that did very, very well. But you buy 20 wings, you get 10 for free. Not only is it a good idea for marketing, it also allows us to choose certain locations that might not be doing as well and give really good deals at those stores to kind of help our traffic pick back up. That's honestly what helped us double our sales in just the last year. What surprised me about Uber Eats is their passion for growth, and they're willing to take chances. And hey, we're all about chances and trying new things.